प्रियंका मैम एक फोटो, प्रियंका मैम,
प्रियंका मैम,
प्रियंका मैम एक फोटो,
प्रियंका मैम, प्रियंका मैम,
Nick sir, Nick. Yeah, Nick. Thank you. Nick.
Hi everyone. I know it's an unsure time for all of us, but hope you're doing okay. Sending positive vibes.
Let's just take care of each other and everybody safe out there. Just lots of love.
So we all know that people around the world have been incredibly affected by this pandemic, and that includes small business owners. My heart really breaks to see these businesses shutting down or letting go of loyal, hardworking employees. So I really want to highlight some female-founded businesses that we can all support and hopefully help them get back on their feet. I'll start by sharing these businesses on my stories, and I encourage all of you to check them out, give them a follow, or make a purchase. And if you have a favorite female-founded business, tag them below, and I'll make sure I include some of them in a future roundup. Thank you so much, and stay safe, everyone. So science tells us that we have 10 years to take action on climate change. Just 10 years. I'm taking a stand because this is happening, and it's happening right now. In each of our foreseeable futures, not for the next generation, but right now, we are going to personally experience this catastrophe unless we take action now. So join us in the conversation and let's take some steps towards reversing these effects before it's too late.